In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add Xbox games to AMD Adrenalin software. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you are playing games primarily through Xbox Game Pass on PC, they will not appear by default on the AMD Adrenalin software. This is because they are encrypted in such a way that AMD software cannot detect the executable files and add them here. So to get this process to work and add them into the software, we need to use an additional piece of software or an additional tool. This is Adrenalin Hook. As the name suggests, it is going to grab the games from Xbox Game Pass and you will be able to add them directly into the AMD software. If you try to do this yourself, you usually get this error message. You don't have permission to open this file. So by using this tool, it is going to scan your computer for you and allow you to add them. So look for Adrenalin Hook on Google. You will access the GitHub page here from Tetra Guy, and then you click on the releases option at the right side of the screen. Scroll down and download the installer. Run the executable, and now inside of Adrenalin Hook, all that you have to do is choose scan UWP/Game Pass Games. You can also choose the option to do it manually, so if you know the exact location of the executable, just choose it here. But usually the scan will be able to detect everything on your PC. So now you will see a list of everything that it found, and all that you have to do is tick the box at the left side of your game. Usually the folder is going to be something like this: Windows Apps, the name of the developer, and then you can confirm that this is the actual executable for the game. Once you have it selected, choose the option Hook Selections. And now if you go inside of the AMD Adrenalin software, you will find your game. So as you can see here, it is under Windows Apps, Microsoft, XGS Midnight, and so on. Now you can apply all of the settings related to AMD software. It is going to track your hours, and you can use it inside of there. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.